So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app says account already exists, merge, recover and login fix. So fix 1 is use the forget password trick. Open the app and select login, not sign up or create account. Enter your email address, tap on forget password, check your email of a reset link. Create a new password and login. Second fix is force close and clear app data. Force close the McDonald's app completely. Navigate to your phone setting, apps, then McDonald's. Tap on storage and select clear cache and clear data. This action will log you out and remove any corrupted temporary file. Reopen the app and attempt to log in again. Third step is update your device default web browser. Check for App Store for update of your default browser like Google Chrome, Safari or Samsung Internet. Open your web browser and navigate to setting. Ensure that cookies are enabled allowed in your browser setting. Attempt to open the McDonald's app again to access the sign in page. Fourth fix is contact McDonald's support. Open the McDonald's app, tap more, select help or contact us, choose your issue, enter the required details, submit your request, wait for the response from McDonald's support. Thanks for watching.